Word on the street is that DJI is gearing up for something big, a true successor to the popular Air 3, which could take drone photography and videography to new heights. Rumours are buzzing about the Air 3S, and in today's video, we'll dive into all the speculation circulating online. Without further ado, let's get started. One of the hottest rumours about the Air 3S is the potential inclusion of a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. Insiders suggest this upgrade could significantly enhance low-light performance, deliver sharper images, and provide a wider dynamic range for those jaw-dropping visuals we all crave. The current Air 3 features a dual camera system with a 48-megapixel sensor, but some enthusiasts believe the actual resolution might be lower. Rumour has it that the Air 3S will feature a genuine 48-megapixel camera capable of capturing highly detailed stills. Though not confirmed until DJI makes an official announcement, this feature is highly anticipated. Additionally, whispers suggest the Air 3S will offer a dedicated vertical shooting mode, a feature sorely missing in the Air 3 and highly coveted by social media content creators. Combining the potential of a better CMOS sensor, a 48-megapixel camera, and a more powerful processor, the Air 3S is shaping up to be a dream come true for photographers and videographers. Rumours indicate it will be able to record video in 5.4K at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS. Insiders are also hinting at better low-light performance, improved image stabilisation, and the ability to capture higher resolution videos than ever before. Battery life is another area where drone enthusiasts hope for significant upgrades with the rumoured Air 3S. While the Air 3 already offers decent flight times, advancements in battery technology and efficiency could allow the Air 3S to stay airborne much longer. Imagine capturing more breathtaking aerial footage or covering greater distances without worrying about running out of battery too quickly. An improved battery life would be a game changer for many drone pilots. The elusive DJI Air 3S controller has yet to be revealed, leaving enthusiasts in suspense. Speculation suggests it might stick with the familiar and compact RC-N1 model or opt for the more sophisticated RC2, possibly equipped with a built-in display. However, concrete details remain unknown until DJI officially unveils the controller. A smaller version might be introduced, but for now, it's merely an assumption based on existing DJI controllers. While the current Air 3 sits in a price range that some consider steep for its features, the rumour mill has been surprisingly quiet on the potential pricing of the Air 3S. Some insiders speculate that DJI might introduce the Air 3S at a similar price point to the Air 2S, around $999, making it a more competitive option in the market. The Air 3 was released in July 2023, but the Air 3S release date remains a well-guarded secret. Considering DJI's usual product release patterns and the steady stream of leaks, insiders speculate we might see its debut around July 2024, following the timeline of its predecessor. So, that's all about the upcoming DJI Air 3S. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.